Welcome all. Today we'll be discussing a Java program to demonstrate what we call it as single inheritance. So in order to do so, first we need to click on File and then click on New Project, and here we need to click on Java, and as well as Java application should be selected. Next we'll click on Next, and here the file name that I'll be giving is single inheritance, and after that I'll click on Finish. Now it's creating the necessary files. Once it has created, now what we'll do is we'll come in this particular section, that is in the package section, and here I'll just leave the other things as it is. All those things are nothing but comments. Here I'll be creating a class file called as shape, and then I'll be declaring two different variables called as integer length and then again integer breadth, and I'll be closing with semicolon. Now what I'll do is I'll come to the main part, that is over here. What I'll do is I'll delete this particular line, and now what we'll do is we'll write the major things. And before starting with the public static void main, here this single inheritance is the main class. Here what we try to do is we try to inherit the properties of shape. So therefore what we'll be using is we'll be using what is called as extends, which inherits which class? That is nothing but shape. So therefore what I'll do, I'll write shape over here, that is this class inherits the properties of this class. Now coming back to the main, here I'll be writing it as integer. I'll be declaring one more variable called as area, and then I'll be declaring a method called as calculate area, and in this method I'll be calculating area that is equal to, that is length into breadth, and I'll be putting a semicolon. And next what I have to do is here I need to copy all these things, and then after this I need to place over here before, that is public static void main, not within the public static. So therefore what I have done is I have copied I have cut all the data and I have placed it before PSVM, that is public static void main. Here I need to create an object. Now first in order to create an object, first I need to write the class name, that is single inheritance, followed by the object name equals, dynamically what you try to do is you create a class object, that is again the class function, that is SI single inheritance, that is function, and you will end it with a semicolon. Now going to the next line, using this object, that is yes object, what I try to do is I fetch what is called as length, and I'll assign that as 10. Similarly I'll assign the breadth is equal to some 20, and again I'll close the brackets over there. Now what I need to do is I need to calculate this particular method, that is calculate area. So therefore what we do, object name dot method name, and I'll close the brackets over there, and I'll just display the area over here. Now in order to display the area, So I'll say system dot out dot println. So here I'll say the area of rectangle of length is, I have to concatenate that particular area, that is s dot area. Now our program is complete. So here what we try to do is, of course, wherever you find a mistake, you will see a red color over there. So here it is, the spelling is wrong, so therefore calculate area. So now what I have to do is I have to run the program. So now what I'll do, I'll run this. And the same program can be implemented using command prompt also. Well, running the same program in command prompt, you need to open up the notepad, type all the code in notepad, come to the command prompt, and using javac and then using java, you will be running the program as it is. So here you can see that the output is over here, and this is how you will execute the program in Java using what is called as single inheritance. Thank you.